Hi, this episode is for beginners who are just starting out and aren't sure what hair, tools, or products they actually need. If you've ever felt overwhelmed walking into a beauty supply store or looking online, this episode is here to simplify things for you. If you already know how to braid comfortably, you can go ahead and skip to episode 4, where we'll actually begin braiding. Finally. When you're learning how to braid, you don't need a lot. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is thinking that they need everything before they start. And truth is, you really don't. Braiding starts with practice, not product. To practice, you only need 3 simple things. Something to braid on, your hands, and a calm space to focus. If you want to be prepared and you don't know which way to go and you definitely don't want to buy the whole store, go to my Amazon storefront. The link is in the bio. You only need a little bit. I would suggest a mannequin head and a tripod just to start off. Everything else you can work in time. But that's all. Link in bio. Back to the video. You don't need expensive hair. You don't need professional products yet. And you don't need a full kit. These things, they come later. When you're practicing, the goal is not a finished look. The goal is to get familiar with movement and control. Your tools. Ding. A lot of learning happens before things ever look neat. So we're going to keep things simple on purpose. Your setup matters more than what you buy. So try to practice in a space where you're not rushed and you can take your time, especially if you learn differently or need more repetition. Learning works best when your brain feels calm. In future lessons, we'll talk more about depth about hair types, what to use for real clients, and products. But for now, just know this. You don't need to overspend to begin, and with 0 pressure. If this episode helped you simplify things, you can subscribe and share so you don't miss what's next. Take your time, guys. My name is Okanti. Thank you for being here.